In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about Rastoke. Rastoke is a small town in Croatia located between the city of Slunj and Plitvice Lakes National Park. It is best known for its natural beauty because Rastoke's unique landscape includes several rivers and streams which cascade over limestone rocks and create beautiful waterfalls and rapids. With its breathtaking scenery and endless outdoors activities, Rastoke makes for an unforgettable travel experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like for more. You can also click the Croatia Places playlist link in the description to learn more about this amazing country. Now let's dive into the video. Rastoke village is a hidden gem nestled in Croatia near Plitvice Lakes, and it's a must-see destination for anyone looking to explore beauty of nature. It's located near the confluence of two rivers, Korana and Slunjcica, with the Plitvice River flowing through it. This idyllic village is characterized by its unique waterfalls, mills, and canals created by these three rivers. Rastoke village offers an enchanting view of nature which has attracted tourists from all over the world. We recommend you to take the entire day in Rastoke. Ethno village is small itself, but it's a place you can get lost in. The magical Rastoke village is completely surrounded by water, making it an idyllic destination. It consists of 3 large islands connected by bridges. This unique setup makes this place stand out from the rest. It has tavern, mill, textile house, museum, fish pond, and a meadow with a totem in the middle. The waterfalls in Rastoke were named after the mill owners, and most famous ones are 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐿, 𝐿𝐴, and Fairy Hair. But our favorite is in Willage, was hidden by cave below the waterfall. Rastoke are also known as small Plitvice Lakes due to similar natural phenomena presented there compared to the bigger Plitvice Lakes. Still, it is impossible to compare Rastoke to Plitvice Lakes, as the latter displays a breathtaking level of beauty that cannot be matched. That being said, Rastoke is a much smaller destination compared to Plitvice Lakes. However, it offers 1,000 more relaxing experience because there aren't many visitors. Not only this, but the village is completely overwater too. If you rent a bungalow there, it will most likely be overwater one. This can give you a much more deeper connection to the natural beauty of this area than Plitvice Lakes. Waterfalls. If you're a fan of waterfalls, Rastoke is the perfect place for you. The falls are close enough to feel the power of rushing water. Plus, taking a break in their cool presence is an ideal way to beat that scalding heat. Best viewpoint. If you want to capture the most stunning views of Rastoke and its waterfalls, it will be the best to explore outside area of the village. Taking a stroll through the village offers many picture-perfect moments. In the north side of the village, one can find a small bridge connecting them to the opposite side of Korana River. Just a little bit downstream, you'll discover an amazing viewpoint stop at the hill where you can view Rastoke's most magnificent waterfalls. That said, also head the other direction of the bridge to see a waterfall flow from under the house. Rastoke in Croatia is a small village located between biggest cities in Croatia, Zagreb and Split. Getting to Rastoke from either of these cities is very simple and straightforward. If you're traveling by car, the best way is to get there to take A1 motorway, which runs between Zagreb and Split. From Zagreb to Rastoke will take you about an hour and a half. If you're coming from Split, it will take you around 3 hours. Hope this helps you organize the perfect trip to Rastoke.